Experiencing problems with the Xfinity app billing? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues where billing information fails to load or payments don't process. The primary reasons often relate to synchronization failures between the app and Comcast servers, outdated app versions, or incorrect payment details. The quickest fixes involve refreshing the app, ensuring it's updated, and verifying your card information. These steps address the most common causes of billing errors and can often resolve the problem within minutes. Let's walk through how to do them. First, refresh the app. This reloads data from the server and resolves temporary glitches. Simply close the app completely and reopen it. Next, update the app. Outdated versions are often incompatible with new payment processing encryption standards. Check the App Store or Google Play for the latest version, currently 25.4.1 as of November 2025. Finally, verify your card details. Ensure the expiration date and CVV code match Comcast's records. Even a minor discrepancy can cause payment failures. If these steps don't work, the issue may be a server outage. During the November 2025 outage, a mass app update resolved issues for 85% of users within 24 hours. Keep an eye on Xfinity's official support channels for updates on any widespread problems.